In today's video, I'll show you the settings where you can change the currency symbol position in WooCommerce. For this example, let's take a look at the shop page on my site. As you can see, under every single product card, the currency symbol is positioned on the right side of the price. Let's go ahead and switch it to the left side. To make this change, first we'll log into WordPress admin account. Once you're in the WordPress dashboard, on the left side of the screen, hover on WooCommerce, then select Settings. Once you're in the Settings page, at the very top, make sure the General tab is selected. Then scroll all the way down, look for the Currency Options section, and here's the currency position setting. As you can see, in my case, set as right. Let's change it to left, and then save the changes. Once the changes are saved, go back to your website and try refreshing the shop page. And as you can see right here, the currency symbol is now positioned on the left side of the price. Now let's also take a look at the checkout page. Let's refresh it. Yeah, as you can see, it has also been reflected here as well. So as usual, I hope you found this video useful, and for more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.